Hi, I'm Cameron.
Hi, I'm Montana, and we're building the Liberty floor plan.
The best part of my experience so far has just been the variety of floor plans and getting to actually walk through almost built houses and the models and seeing things. It's a lot easier to pick something after you've seen it.
The people that we have been able to deal with are very personable. My favorite part about the design studio is they give you a variety of selection.
Shaw Homes stands out from other builders because they, again, on the floor plans, they have a lot of variety. They're not just all the exact same. They have different ones that have even within the same series, they have all different, like the snooze button layout and the continuous, vault and the Liberty floor plan that we chose and different things like that. To someone considering building Shaw Homes, it's been a great experience so far. I think that they are very honest people and that we will get exactly what we signed for.